I decided to make the switch from Lexington V1 dashcam for about $100 on Amazon to a Vantrue dashcam. I started having problems with the Lexington V1. It would not save the first clip or the last clip during a drive. So the first 5 minutes and the last 5 minutes, I decided to be better safe than sorry and get this Lexington, or not the Lexington, the Vantrue N1 dashcam. It was like $80 on Amazon. So I think it's a better value, and I'm gonna set it up in my car and see how it does. It can't do worse than the Lexington, hopefully. Knock on wood, it doesn't. But I'm excited to have this new dashcam because I really didn't like having the possibility of a clip not being saved because of the Lexington. Also, I had this idea that some of the clips from and the packaging right here for the Vantrue is a lot better. I really like this packaging. It's really cool. Little dash cam that came with the Vantrue. I'm gonna install it in the car and we're gonna take some sample footage. The video quality of the Lexington V1 was really good and everything was fine, except the issue of it not saving the clips. That's about the biggest problem I had, and that's the main focus of a dash cam. I don't want to have necessarily the idea of having to monitor it every week, making sure it saved the clip and everything. So I decided to make the switch. This is a little bit cheaper and it had much better reviews than the Lexington. The warranty on the Lexington is 12 months, and I started having the problem literally 2 months after the warranty ended. So I really didn't like that, and so Lexington left a bad taste in my mouth. I have one Lexington in my white Lexus, and in the blue Lexus, it's still it's gonna be this guy. This was the problem I was talking about. Like, some of the clips here are unable to be opened. See, the document can't be opened with QuickTime. So these ones could be open, but any one of the clips that have the QuickTime player instead of a video, it won't play. And that's especially a problem with clips that I've saved. Aside from the clips being deleted, when I initially got the dash cam, the back of the sticky thing, that it wouldn't hold the dash cam in place, and it kept falling down and hitting my hitting the dash. So I had to put these little super sticky notes on it, or the little super putties, whatever they're called. I started putting them on the back to prevent them from falling, and now trying to take it off, they're just leaving trails of black on the windshield. That's why right now I'm spending the amazing time of removing my old dash cam, the Lexington, and switching to a much better dash cam that had better reviews, the Vantrue. Just installed the little Vantrue one, and the only problem was the suction cup kept falling down, so I just basically put one more of those little tapes on it to prevent it from falling down, the little 3M strips right here. This is the last video we'll see of the Lexington V1. Goodbye. Good job there, Captain Doofus.